Hi, today is Monday, the 18th of January, 2020, 21. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still in my work clothes because I'm supposed to be on a digital reception. Yeah, New Year's reception. Yeah. Doing a lot of work-wise stuff with the local football club, so they have a presentation, cheering 2021, and yeah. So we were on the B side of this one. Yes, we were. Wild River Boys rock. Yeah, Wild River Boys rock. Yeah, Wild River Boys rock. Shall we do it? Yeah, we shall. Right. Don't know how it's going to sound because I haven't listened to it. Oh, that's really rock, right? Well, it's definitely electric guitar again. Well, let me show you. Oh, that's an understatement. So, this got delivered here last week. Let me see. To bring a toast to on the New Year. Yeah. So, that one, yeah. Personal invitation, yeah. To toast to sport of success, etc. Yeah. So, yeah, we will later on, even on a Monday night. Yeah. This is freestyle rock and roll, man. Still, when I listen back to it, I'm still trying to sound like Luther Perkins or something. These scarce Johnny Cash licks. Yeah. Well, that's unbeatable, top-notch biggin that he did. Well, I know where the sound's coming from. This is anyway. Apparently, this is the Wild River Boys rock. Yep. And it has a melody, and it has a scheme, and it has a theme. Right. Me on my electric guitar. Shaking and a bobbing, man. Oh, we even slow down. Now, ain't that cool? Right. I wish you all a wonderful evening. And I'm on my way to this toast, Yeah. Be safe.